Stampers, welcome to fancyforstampin.com. I'm Josie-Cauler. Today I'm going to share this mini album that I created. It will accommodate up to 70 4-inch by 4-inch photos, and if I remember correctly, if you download a photo from Facebook, that's exactly what you end up with, a 4-inch by 4-inch photo. I use the hand pen stamp set and the coordinating DSP, and I'm not going to go through and do an entire tutorial video because there's way too much. But what I am going to do is, if you're interested in creating this, I'm going to direct you over to my blog where you can purchase for $15 a printable version of the tutorial. So I just want to take a few seconds here or minutes to show you around the inside of this album. So I untied the closure and we're going to open it up. And you see here on the inside I used 3x3 envelopes to create pockets. I used the penned dies, I don't remember exactly what they're called, to cut out a few pieces to decorate them. So on the left inside we have the first flap that opens up, and we can put 8 photos here. And then this opens up again this way, and we can put 8 photos and 8 photos. And I didn't cover the reverse side with any paper on this. Okay, and that folds back up like that. And then this side opens up this way. And you can put 8 photos here. And I forgot, this lifts, and you can add 8 more photos here. And it closes up like this. Tie it shut. And that's it. Took me 3 tries to get it the way I wanted it to be, but I think it turned out pretty well. Would make a great gift for someone. So, if you're interested, head on over to my blog, fancyforstampin.com. Until next time, happy stamping!